Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyoto-kan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to make shabu shabu salad. Shabu shabu salad is one of the most popular homemade dishes in Japan. I like soft and juicy meat and healthy and beautiful vegetables. And I'll also introduce how to make ponzu instantly. The flavor of this dish is really refreshing. I hope you will enjoy shabu shabu salad. Yes, let's make it. First of all, I'm going to cut these vegetables. Lettuce, cucumber, Japanese ginger, onion, tomato, and white radish sprouts. I'm going to cut the onion into thin slices. I often add onion slices to shabu shabu salad. A little bit sharp taste of the onion goes well with the pork. Okay, I transfer them to the water and let it stand for a while. Next, cucumber. I divide it into half and slice it diagonally and thinly. This deep green color makes salad feel like cool and beautiful. And crispy cucumber slices go well with the juicy pork as well. Okay, I transfer them to a big bowl. Next, these are white radish sprouts. I cut the bottom side like this. Very easy. And I also transfer them to a bowl. The taste of it is sharp and refreshing. This is Japanese ginger, which is called myoga in Japan. I trim off the root side and divide it into half. The smell of it is unique, like grassy, and the taste is refreshing and a little bit pungent. Okay, I've sliced thinly. Next, lettuce. I tear it into bite-sized pieces like this. Okay, nice. At last, tomato. I remove the top and cut it into quarters. This red color makes the dish very colorful. Nice. And then I add water to the bowl and mix them. Good. I keep it for a while to make vegetables more crunchy. About 5 minutes later, drain a sieve and remove the water completely. Then I do the same with the onions. And I squeeze out the excess water by hands. Good. And mix them. Okay, I keep it in the fridge. Next, I'm going to make a ponzu sauce. I add 20 grams of vinegar and 60 grams of 100% orange juice, 60 grams of soy sauce. Then I add a bit of yuzu juice. I recommend to add some citrus juice, for example, orange, lemon, and grapefruit. Today I use a thin sliced pork. It's 300 grams. You can use thin sliced beef instead of it, and I'm sure that meat with a little fat is best. This is great. Okay, let's boil the pork. I prepared ample boiling water and set 50 grams of ponzu in a bowl. And I add 2 pinches of salt. Okay, when the water boils, I add pork. Nice. Once I added pork oil, turn off the heat. Then I separate sliced porks and heat it gradually to make it soft and juicy. Good. And then I transfer the pork to ponzu directly. This is very important to make soft and juicy pork. You can drain the pork in a sieve and transfer it to ponzu as well. Then I mix them and let the pork absorb the flavor of ponzu. Perfect. I let it stand for cool. Okay, let's arrange on a plate. First, I place salad and tomato. Nice. Then I place pork which has cooled down on the salad. Finally, I pour ponzu. Good. Shabu shabu salad is done. Thank you. Did you enjoy? This shabu shabu salad is so healthy and delicious. You can use any vegetables instead of them. The simple way of making it is also a good point. I hope you will enjoy shabu shabu salad. Thank you for watching to this end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.